Welcome to your Beginner's Guide to Yoga, an ancient practice renowned for its profound benefits for both mind and body. Yoga offers physical postures, breathing, and meditation to enhance overall well-being. Yoga offers a holistic approach to well-being, improving physical flexibility by lengthening muscles and increasing joint mobility. It also reduces stress through mindful movement and breath work and enhances overall posture. Through controlled breathing and focused attention, yoga helps calm the nervous system. This shift leads to greater inner peace, improved emotional regulation, and enhanced mental clarity, allowing you to navigate daily life with ease. Now, let's begin with the foundational mountain pose, Tadasana. This powerful pose is the blueprint for all standing postures, establishing crucial stability, grounding, and proper anatomical alignment for your yoga practice. Stand tall with your feet together or hip-width apart for stability. Arms rest naturally at your sides, palms forward. Distribute your body weight evenly through all four corners of your feet for a grounded stance. Engage your thigh muscles by gently lifting your kneecaps upwards, creating strength without locking knees. Simultaneously, draw your navel towards your spine, activating your core to support your lower back and lengthen your torso upwards. Roll your shoulders back and down away from your ears, allowing shoulder blades to draw towards each other. This opens your chest and promotes expansive breath. Maintain a soft, steady gaze forward to cultivate focus and inner calm. Mountain pose improves posture by aligning the spine, strengthens your legs and ankles, and enhances body awareness. This fundamental understanding of alignment and stability provides a solid foundation for all other yoga poses. Next, we transition to downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This iconic and rejuvenating posture stretches and strengthens the entire body simultaneously, often feeling like a full body reset. To enter downward-facing dog, begin on your hands and knees in tabletop. Ensure wrists are directly aligned under shoulders with fingers spread wide. Knees should be positioned directly under hips for precise starting alignment. From tabletop, tuck toes under, and as you exhale, lift hips high towards the ceiling, pushing back through hands. Simultaneously, straighten arms and legs, creating the inverted V shape. A slight bend in knees is fine to maintain a long spine. Press firmly through your palms, distributing weight evenly, and imagine pushing the mat away. Press heels towards the floor to deepen the stretch in calves and hamstrings. Focus on keeping your spine long and straight, allowing your head to relax. Downward-facing dog strengthens arms, shoulders, and legs, building endurance and stability. It provides a deep stretch for hamstrings and calves, improving flexibility. By gently inverting the head, it helps calm the brain and relieve mild stress and fatigue. Finally, we'll delve into Warrior 2, or Virabhadrasana 2, a powerful and empowering standing pose. This posture builds immense physical strength and stamina, cultivating unwavering mental focus and determination, embodying the spirit of a peaceful warrior. From mountain pose, step feet wide apart, approximately 4 to 5 feet. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees, toes pointing forward, and angle your left foot slightly in, about 15 to 30 degrees, aligning your left heel with your right heel or arch. Bend your right knee deeply, ensuring it tracks directly over your right ankle, forming a 90-degree angle. Keep your front thigh parallel to the floor, engaging quadriceps muscles. Ensure your knee doesn't collapse inward or splay outward. With your lower body rooted, extend arms out to the sides at shoulder height, reaching actively through fingertips. Keep palms facing down and shoulders relaxed. Turn your head to gaze softly and steadily over the fingertips of your right hand, cultivating focus. Warrior 2 strengthens your legs, ankles, and core muscles, building stamina and stability. It also opens your hips and chest, improving flexibility and promoting openness. Beyond the physical, this pose cultivates deep concentration, mental focus, and unwavering determination. These 3 foundational poses, Mountain Pose, Downward-Facing Dog, and Warrior 2, are excellent starting points for any yoga journey. They offer a comprehensive blend of physical strength, increased flexibility, and profound mindfulness, introducing yoga's core principles. As you practice, always remember to listen intently to your body, honoring its limits and sensations. Cultivate deep, conscious breathing throughout your movements, as breath is the anchor of your practice. Consistent practice is key to unlocking yoga's full, transformative power in all aspects of life. We hope you found this beginner's guide to yoga both enjoyable and informative, providing a clear pathway to starting your own practice. If you liked the video or found the information helpful, please take a moment to select the like button below. And if you're interested in discovering additional novice-related videos on various topics to further your self-improvement journey, we encourage you to subscribe to the Novici IMPRO V Mient CHN Nial. Thank you so much for watching and joining us today.